Nicholas is letting an option go free.
I might need help.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, everything moving. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, a little bit. That's all right. I'll figure it out. All right, cool. All right. Ah, there you go. Yeah. Get your lemonade. 25 cents. Who wants lemonade? Who wants lemonade? Raise your hand.
Who has
Get that young
popcorn in
lady
their
come up
teeth?
here. 2 more people. Who wants lemonade? Come up here. Get some lemonade. 1 more person. All right. So you got 3 people. Where's the last person? No. 1 more person. Come up here. All right. So you all have 25 cents? Then you can't have lemonade. But I got something better. Better. It's not lemonade. It's called Explosive Punch. Guess how much it costs? Free. Right?
Free punch.
Okay, so I just tried this one out at home from all my kitchen ingredients. And what I want you all to do is just sip it, because it's going to give you a little jolt of energy. All right? Sip. All right? At the same time, when I count to 3.
Let's line up. Hold on
All right,
till
line
everyone
up.
gets their lemonade.
And if you all can look at their facial expressions to see the jolt.
And make sure everyone in the audience can see you sipping that lemonade.
Just sip.
All right,
Don't
you ready?
drink, sip.
1, 2, 3. Sip. Thumbs up, thumbs down. What an array of treats.
I expected all thumbs up. Still, I don't accept that. Everything has to be thumbs up. Put those back right here. If y'all can sit down right here, because I'm going to call you 3 up again. All right?
Great, let's give our 3 tasters a round of applause.
So, how did that taste like? Well, what does this mean? Sour. It's sour? How about you? Sour? It's sour as well. There's a question I have, because I want to market this worldwide, make lots of money. But right now, I have 2 people that's like this. It's not doing that for me. So I have to find out a way to predict whether something is sour or not. Okay? So I went back to my kitchen. All right? And I found a couple sour items and a couple non-sour items. And back up here is my secret ingredient. Very expensive. It's called cabbage. You chop it up, you boil it, you extract the pigments, and you have this wonderful beverage. Oh. Refreshing.
Thumbs up from Jacob for the cabbage juice.
So what would happen if I placed cabbage juice? So we know that some of this might be sour, some of this might not be sour. So I want you all to see some patterns in the color of the cabbage juice to see which ones are sour or not. All right, so I'm going to go backwards. Exhibit number 5. What color does it turn? Ooh. What color is that? It's magenta. Get it right.
At the Exploratorium, we call that magenta.
What color is that? Magenta. One more time. What color is that? You have to wait a little longer. Magenta. Almost there.
It is purpley and transitioning to magenta.
Yes. All right, let's see what we have. We have this color, this solution here.
Ooh.
Cyan. I like that. All right, and the last one. All right. It's kind of like violet, purpley. Do these two look like the same colors?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me tell you what they are. Exhibit number 5 is citric acid. You can find citric acid in lemonade. This is acetic acid. Where can you find acetic acid at? Vinegar. This is dry ice. And when you mix dry ice in water, it creates carbonic acid. Same thing as club soda. You can drink it as well. Good stuff. Baking soda and water. So, which ones are sour? Which exhibit? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Which one?
3.
3. That's not too sour. That's not sour enough. Go ahead. 2.
2.
Jabe's going to verify whether that's sour or not.
That's not sour. Sorry. Yes. 5.
5.
Let's try this one out. It's sour. All right, last one. What's sour?
4.
4.
Guess about 4.
My favorite one because I like to mix this with my Filipino dish, adobo.
Number 4 was acetic acid.
Vinegar. All right. So we already know that the acid solutions are going to turn red. But the question is, how do I neutralize the sourness so that my drink is less sour? And I tested this one out in my kitchen. What happens if I mix the citric acid and the baking soda together? Is it changing colors? Kind of. Let me get more baking soda in my kitchen.
We've made fizzy magenta cabbage citric acid soda.
Cold.
My
Where
favorite.
is my baking? There you go. Baking soda. All right. So if I put a lot of baking soda in here. 1 more minute? Okay.
Do you notice
All
the
right.
color changing?
Is there any color changing? A little pink. If I put more, it's going to eventually turn a little blue, like the baking soda solution. All right? So, I need those 3 taste testers to come up back here again.
Come back up here, tasters.
All right, and we're going to test the 3 things that we tested down here. We have Kool-Aid with citric acid, Kool-Aid with baking soda, and Kool-Aid with citric acid and baking soda. So, pick your drink. Tell me what you think. Sip.
Take a sip of one.
And tell
Make
me which
sure
one you
everyone
like.
can see what it looks on your face. Take a smaller sip if you're very scared. We have some very tentative looks here, Jacob. Thumbs down. Thumbs down. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
You have a winner.
All right, which one was a thumbs up? You got the one that says CB, which means citric acid and baking soda. It neutralizes sourness, creating that neutral taste. All right? You got the citric acid, you got the baking soda, which tastes hella nasty. All right? All right, great. All
So
right,
really the
thank
sweet
you.
spot is in between.
Last one?
Yeah,
Come on.
do it.
I like to end my class with an ending thought or notes. I don't know, something's in the back. All right? And what I have here in this bucket is something called vasodilator. All right? You separate those two words apart. Vasco or vascular means veins. Dilator means to grow. So I'm going to dilate something. All right? I'm going to put this on the floor. Put my hand in here. And so what should happen to my veins if I place it in the solution? It should get bigger. All right? So right now you see it's slightly red, so meaning my veins are popping out. There's blood flowing to the ends of my skin. All right? All right. So I need someone to hold these two. Are you ready? All right. This is kind of dirty. All right. Ready? I need a countdown. Starting from 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Jacob, what happened?
Oh no, I'm bleeding. Just kidding.
Jacob is fine. No
I'm
teachers
fine.
were harmed in this episode.
Acid-base
of Art
reaction
Science
right
Teacher.
there on this paper. Thank you, everybody.
All right, let's give a hand for Jacob and acids, bases, cabbage juice, and how the best soda is a neutral soda.